friends. I am Mukul Singla. I am an engineering leader, and today I want to discuss with you why meditation is so easy. I know that most of you must not agree with me that how meditation is so easy. A lot of you must have tried meditation at some time of your life, and I know most of you must not be able to continue that practice. Actually, if we go by data, then more than 90% of people are not able to continue the practice of meditation, while most of them actually want to do meditation. How can I say such a thing easy? Guys, today we will go deep into this argument. We will try to understand that what meditation is, and we will try to understand what make it so hard or easy. Okay, directly going into this argument, why meditation is so easy. We need to first understand meditation. Guys, we are moved by reward theory. We go into we go into school to get good job. We put effort into a job to get to earn money. So whatever we do that because we want some reward. We do meditation because we want freedom from stress. We want good mental strength. We want good mental power. We want to achieve something from meditation. If we go with this strategy, we are bound to fail, because meditation is not about achieving something. Meditation is all about freedom. Meditation is like a gateway to freedom. You need freedom from your perception. You need freedom from your mental shackles which you have only built around you. It may sound little weird, but meditation is all about achieving that freedom, because whatever those rewards you are looking for, those rewards are already within us. It is just we need that freedom to realize that. It is meditation which provide those that freedom, through which once we get that freedom, all these rewards, like mental strength, or freedom from stress, all these rewards are like positive side effect. Okay, now we understand what meditation is, but how exactly should we do it? See, guys, meditation is not a practice. Meditation is just once we understand what meditation is, it goes automatically. Meditation is like an ocean. We are like different rivers. All words, souls are like different rivers, and there is a vast ocean. We can follow any path, and we will definitely reach the same ocean. Somebody can do it by standing still. Somebody can do it by using mantras, Om, the famous one, or somebody can do by listening music. Somebody can do by writing, or somebody can do something else. Everything is part of the same meditation practice. We just need to understand that we are here not for achieving something, but we are here to have that freedom. To start with, you can sit in a comfortable position. Whatever position you think is comfortable for you, you can sit in that position, and you can just realize that you are here not to achieve something, but to get that freedom. And once you start doing that with some patience, eventually you will achieve the ultimate truth. In summary, guys, meditation is very easy. It is not a hard exercise. Everybody should follow it. It seems hard because we don't understand it. We understand meditation as a way to achieve some treasure. It is not a treasure, guys. It is a freedom of success. It is a gateway to freedom. Once we understand this gateway, we will understand that all of us are not like individual personalities. We are part of that bigger ocean which is connected to each of us through a magical power. And this meditation give us that power, that freedom to realize this fundamental fact. Thank you.